time with you. But we both know it ain't the case, babe. Why you asking me questions that you know the answer to? So this morning I'm gonna show you guys how I apply the Charcoal Turmeric Mask. Everybody sleeps, so I'm gonna be quiet. Initially, I do wet my brush with water, and I just kind of like make it easier to apply on my face. One second. Alright, I'm back. So yeah, I just did a mask right before, so I'm gonna do it again because I forgot to record it. I'm not gonna go above the face again. I'll do that part at night time for you guys, but basically, dip it, get it all across your skin. When I dip, I kind of just like pretty much dip from the side, like literally that much. And again, when I'm dipping like this, like clean the edges off or something. Take that little piece. So what's in this mask is you got some turmeric, you got some sunflower oil, you have activated charcoal, kaolin and clay, that's pretty much it. A couple other ingredients. But for the most part, anything in here is vegetable grade. Any oil. I'll be having to do my nose too, because my nose be getting like really dry. Or be having a lot of acne on it. Nobody ever really trips because it be so small. Normally you go over the top and everything, but after I did my mask this morning, I did my eyebrows, so I don't want to mess them up. When I mean did my eyebrows, I mean I shaped them. So shaped them and then I filled them in a little bit, but y'all get the point. So notice that I barely used any of this. Like I really didn't even dip up in there. I was mushing it around with the brush, but really to do your whole face, this one little jar would give you at least a month worth of facials if you was doing it every day. So that's how little, unless you just got like a really big face, you know, like that. But yeah, so I don't wear makeup. I do apply the pencil, right, to make my eyebrows a little darker. They really light, but I remember I used to wear my eyebrows really thin. I didn't have no hair, but now since I got a lot of hair, I just kind of fill it in to make it a little darker, and I get them waxed. But yeah, other than that, I don't really put nothing on my face because it break me out so easily, no matter what it is. But what I do want to say about this mask is when you're applying it, you try to go, if it's nighttime, like at nighttime, I kind of do my neck and everything too. I go around my whole face. everything, my neck. You can even do that part of your nose if you want to. I don't really have that many problems right there, so. So the good question about when you rinsing off the mask, you're gonna rinse it off regularly. You can use a facial pad if you want to. You do want to apply your toner after, because what your toner does is it helps clear up the residue that's left over. So it's like if anything is left over on your face, it helps cleanse that out, and it also helps with tightening the pores. So you want that. Go ahead and wash this off and stop the video, and then I'm gonna come back. But you typically go wait till it feels like it's drying, or you can give it a good 2 to 5 minutes. It's your decision. If you're a person with like really oily skin, you typically want to wait till it's drying some. You know, you really want to wait till it's drying. It may not harden up because it's you want to go with the Visage for that, the Visage mask, but you will still feel it drying. But I can feel this side drying already a little bit. And a key note about knowing when something is drying is that the color switch. Like say if we started off real dark like this and this side started to look like this side, you'll know that it's starting to dry. Or you'll do the face trick where you try to smell and stuff like, and it get really, really, really hard. Sorry, I know my lips dry. The only thing I did was like brush my teeth, wash my face, and you know, do my first mask. But yeah. So I'll be right back, guys. Sometimes I know people don't have like the right pads to take off their mask with, or you know, clean their face with. So you can use a towel, a dry towel. I mean a cloth towel. Today I don't have an extra pad. So I'll just keep reapplying warm water. And the mask literally comes off that easy. So feel free, follow up with your toner, add your aloe water cream to it as well, and you're good to go. My face feels so smooth now. Like, you can even practically feel it through the towel. I think I'm gonna make some lip stuff next, y'all. Alright, see you next time.
All I wanna do is spend my time with you.